Hello friends, I am happy to have you back to my channel again today. Today's video is going to be about arbitrage opportunities in cryptocurrencies. I know some of you might have been wondering what arbitrage is all about. You've heard the word from some people or you heard about it from a certain platform and you're so confused on what it entails. You don't know how to go about it and you're just confused. You don't know what it means. You don't have to worry, because in this video I am going to explain what arbitrage is all about in a layman's understanding, and in subsequent videos as well. Arbitrage is simply a system of trade or a pattern of trading where you purchase a certain asset from a platform that sells it at a lower rate and immediately transfer it to a platform that sells that same asset at a higher rate, and then you sell at the higher rate and make profit from the purchase you made immediately. Let us take, for instance, I believe some of you are familiar with Luno platform and then Binance as well. So let's assume that you came across a certain coin on Luno. Let's say XRP is being sold at something like 0.42 cents per unit of XRP, and then you notice that the same asset is being sold on Binance at 0.47. all right, so I'm using this as an instance. So you quickly accumulate a lot of this XRP from Luno and then transfer it to Binance and sell at a higher rate and make a lot of profit immediately without waiting for maybe change in market or something thereabout. All right, so these arbitrage opportunities are not usually regular. All right, they are not permanent. They come sometimes, you make money, and then sometimes you don't see them. Okay, so that is why it's important to subscribe to my channel, so that once I come across any arbitrage opportunity that will earn you reasonable profit, I will immediately publish it on my channel so as to get you informed. Okay guys, another instance of this arbitrage trading is buying a certain crypto asset with the bank card, all right, at some official rate, and then transferring it to Binance to sell on P2P at P2P rate. And we all know that P2P rate is quite higher than the official rate. So you look for platforms that allow you to purchase certain assets using bank cards. All right, you purchase those assets from those platforms and then you transfer them to Binance and sell them on P2P. You continue this severally and you see you'll be able to make a lot of gain on daily basis. You can make as much as 100,000 depending on the capital you're using for the arbitrage. So arbitrage is something that's very, very interesting, which a lot of people have been doing for some time now. So subscribe to my channel, as I will continually share opportunities. Any opportunity I come across, I share immediately, so you take advantage of it. So don't forget to hit the notification button also, so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you for watching.